Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, we are going to custom repaint the ZD Toys Igor Mark 38 action figure. Thank you very much, Laro Anan, for sponsoring this video and providing this action figure for unboxing, review, and customization. If you want to see the review, punta lang kayo sa YouTube channel ko and click the previous video. Alright, first we are going to spray the figure with number 191 Bosny Flat Clear. Magkakaroon ng addition layer yung surface so that our paints will stick to the collectible. And ito na yung mga paints natin. Thank you very much Hero Paints for sponsoring also this video. For also sponsoring this video. I have Stone Blue, Storm Gray, and Sage. So yun yung tatlo na ginamit ko. Stone Blue, Storm Gray at saka Sage. Ito, unahin natin yung Stone Blue. So, sa pag-create ng camouflage na pattern, i-breakdown natin siya. Actually, pinag-aralan ko din kung paano gumagawa ng mga camouflage pattern. So, yung first layer, i-breakdown natin siya into layers per color. So, yung first layer, parang cloud-like patterns yung gagawin natin. So, actually, yun lang talaga yung combination ng camouflage na design. It's just a combination of layers na nagko-compose ng mga iba't ibang mga irregular shapes. So, yun lang gagawin natin dito. Add lang tayo ng layers and layers of irregular shapes na iba't ibang kulay. So, first layer ito, stone blue. Tapos, yung sumunod naman, storm gray naman. So, ganun pa rin. Ang brush na ginagamit ko rito ay round brush na medyo thick. Siguro mga number 5 to. And I'm not thinking about saan pupunta yung pattern. Basta ang iniisip ko lang dito, I need to create irregular shapes. And ito naman yung third na paint. So, mas fine na yung layers na gagawin natin. Mas fine yung shapes na gagawin natin. So, mas maliliit siya. And, minumove ko lang yung brush ko ng mas fine lang. Mas maliliit na movements lang. Compared kasi dun sa first layer, kailangan natin masakop yung buong area. So, malalaki yung movements ko. This one, dun sa last layer, smaller movements na para makapag-create tayo ng smaller lines. And then, yung last layer, Hero Paints white for ultra coverage. Yan. So, kumuha lang ako ng destroyed, hindi naman destroyed, pero used na brush na medyo nakabuka na yung bristles para sakto dun sa pattern na gagawin natin. So, useful din yung mga old brushes na hindi na super refined yung tip niya kasi nakaka-create din siya ng pattern na pwede rin siya for camouflage, for trees, for leaves, yan. And we are done dito sa ating Igor custom repaint project. Yung eyes and mga repulsors, ang ginawa ko dito, puro dry brushing technique lang para magkaroon ng glow effect. Dun sa glow effect, Ang ginawa ko dyan, coral blue and then white. Tapos fluorescent yellow and then white ulit. So yun yung paints na ginamit ko. Thank you very much, Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Laro Anan, for sponsoring this video. I'm really, really happy with this project. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.